Just a little over 2 years since I installed this. This is a brand new kit. I did buy a spare one, and they've both failed. That little part right there is letting water past. And I'll show you the reason why. It's really simple. I've already fixed this one. And there's the faulty part. A tie wrap. A 10-cent tie wrap broke. And they broke within weeks of each other. That tie wrap goes right there to squeeze this closed, keeping this down so that you get a tight seal around that. This one's ghost flushing. I heard it today. I just happened to be sitting there watching TV and I heard it starting to fill. And this is the old lady's toilet. So she's not home. So it's ghost flushing. I'm going to pull this rubber seal up. This just turns about, I forget, 10 or 15 degrees. And then it slides off. And then I can slide off that. And I'm going to clean around the seal between the tank where it leaves and this device here. Real simple fix. Other than that, it has been saving water. I'm estimating that it saves about 1 cubic meter per month having these two toilets for 2 adults. Per month, 1 cubic meter. We used to always be billed about 30 to 32 cubic meters, and now we're consistently at 28 to 29 cubic meters, and that's bi-monthly. We get billed bi-monthly here. So, I used to be a cable guy. I'm pretty sure I have a couple of tie wraps in the garage. This isn't going to cost me anything other than about 10 minutes of my time. This, once again, is the Danco Dual Flush. 1 water symbol for number 1 and 2 water symbols for number 2.